Now, in a bid to make my home smarter than a PhD graduate in a well-pressed suit, I've discovered that I need smart light bulbs. I never knew I needed them, but how wrong I was, because these offer limitless possibilities for extraordinary experiences. I don't even know what a smart bulb looks like. I'm about to find out. Okay, I guess that's your controller. 1, 2, 3 bulbs in a pack. So am I right in saying I have to attach this to that? Right. So this is the U bridge, which I'm just going to power up. So it's searching for U bridges. It says on here 16 million colours. I didn't even know there were 16 million colours. OK, one new U bridge found. Create home. Craig's gaff. Select the type of room you are creating. OK, bedroom. Create room. OK, then let's retire to the bedroom. Duck your head. All right, then. It says, let's go. Take the bulb out. Put this in. Turn that on. There you go. So they're all set up. That's your colour palette. And if you mess with that, then it can go red and sort of icy blues and stuff. You can control them individually. You can control them as a group. You can even control them with your voice. So I'm going to set up a little smart speaker here. Who's got the Nest? Oh, thank you, Karen. Everyone's got one of these days. It's a bulk standard smart speaker in the mini variety. OK, let's plug this in.
Hi. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
That's what I'm doing. OK, where is this device? The bedroom. Get started with voice calls. Not now. Stay in the know. No, thanks. I just want to change the lights in me bedroom. Almost finished, please.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant, here to help.
OK, so we're in Google Nest now. We've got to add the Philips Hue to the app. Oh, what's this now? Push the big button on your bridge. Karen, could you push my big button for me? Thank you. Your bridge has been successfully linked. OK, so we're in. OK, Google, dim the lights.
OK.
OK, Google, turn the lights to red.
OK.
OK, Google, turn the lights to green.
Sure, changing 3 lights to green.
I'm not sure about it, though. You know, is it going to enhance my life? It's taken over an hour to set all that up. And you'd use it for a few days, and the novelty would wear off. OK, Google, turn the lights off.